Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show TikTok birthday problem solved. Sorry, looks like you're not eligible. Error fix 2026. First, open the TikTok app on your mobile phone. Tap on Profile and start creating a new account. Choose Continue with email or phone number. Enter your email address and tap Continue. Verify your account using the API sent to your email. When entering your date of birth, make sure your age is 18 years or older. If you see the error message, sorry, looks like you're not eligible for TikTok, but thanks for checking us out. Follow these steps. Press and hold the TikTok app icon. Tap Clear Cache. Then, tap Clear Data and confirm by selecting Delete. Update TikTok. Open the Google Play Store and search for TikTok. If an update is available, tap Update and wait for it to install. After that, open TikTok again. Select Use phone number or email. If the error appears when using an email address, try using a phone number instead. Enter your date of birth again, making sure your age is 18 years or older. Tap Next. Now complete the account setup. Create a password. Your TikTok account should now be created successfully. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.